I just finished a call with a Salesforce admin who said, I don't understand it. I'm the one that everyone goes to. I save every project. I fix every broken process. And somehow I'm still invisible. I had to stop them because this is a pattern that I've seen for 15 years. I told them, your competence is the reason that they overlook you. And I know that this sounds unfair. It is unfair, but it's true. Here's the dynamic. When you're the Salesforce admin who catches all of the failures before they actually become visible problems, when you are the one keeping the org running smoothly, when you're the one who looks at the chaos and quietly restores order, people just assume that everything is fine. Your competence erases the evidence of how much danger you prevented. You become the human firewall, the operational safety net, the reason that nothing blows up. But here's the ugly part. When nothing blows up, people start believing nothing was required for saving. That's the paradox. The more competent that you are, the less obvious your value becomes. And I've lived this myself. I've worked with Salesforce admins that have prevented million-dollar failures, but never got a single ounce of recognition because the disaster didn't happen. So no one realized how close it came. Admins, listen to me. Your invisibility, it's not a reflection of your worth. It's a side effect of doing your job too well. People don't see the battles that you fought because you fought them before anyone else smelled smoke. And the saddest part? Companies don't measure disasters prevented. They only measure disasters survived. So the admin who prevents the disaster gets ignored. And the admin who cleans up after the disaster gets praised. If you've ever felt unseen, it's not because you're forgettable. It's because your brilliance is the reason nothing broke visibly enough for people to recognize what you saved them from. Your competence is not the problem. The environment is. Until someone teaches you how to communicate your invisible work, you're going to keep rescuing the org quietly while the org quietly assumes that it rescued itself. You deserve better.